I'm Wayne Kirkland. I'm 50 years old. I'm from Alma, Georgia in the United States. I come to Hair of Istanbul for a hair transplant. When I was in probably my mid-20s, I lost a little bit of hair. It kind of started thinning some, then stopped. And it stopped till I was probably 45, 46, and it started back. And I just wanted to, I wasn't completely bald by no means, but I was wanting to get ahead of it. Nah, it didn't really affect my social life or anything. I mean, everybody wants hair. That's how I was. I mean, I got to thinking about being bald, and I was like, well, I started researching it, and and a lot of the other alternatives the success rate wasn't very good. And then the hair transplant, especially in Turkey, seemed to have great success rates. So I really started focusing on the Turkey transplants. So far, I do. Now, I mean, I'll see the full results in, I guess, a couple of weeks or up to 12 months. But so far, I did. I like it. Procedure was very smooth. Now, I was worried. I was nervous. But it actually, everybody here, the employees, made everything comfortable. The process smooth and no problems at all. I was very nervous about doing it. I didn't know anybody personally that had done it. Now, of course, on YouTube, TikTok, different platforms, I've seen other people doing it. But me personally, I've never been to Turkey. I don't know anybody personally that's had one. So I was very nervous about doing it. And I'm sure there's people out there that felt the same way I do. Just do it. I mean, it's worth it. It's easy. It might take 7 to 10 days to get over it, but no big deal. Just be brave enough to do it. That's the biggest thing.